Hello there, this is part 2 of building a custom Victorinox. In this video, I will show some of the tools I used and one big mistake I made during the build. The focus of this series is on tools and technique, including mistakes. Note that the back spring pin head is bulkier on one side compared to the other. Make a note to maintain the same orientation as per original during reassembly. Lay the knife on a piece of scrap 2x4 with 4 pre-drilled holes so that the back layer screwdriver faces the top. That way, the knife will sit flat and steady. The drilled holes in the 2x4 can be drilled through or at least 1 inch deep. I am using a spring tool pin punch. You can use any center punch instead. When drilling, check to see at the initial stages to see if the drilling is off-center and adjust with pin punch if necessary. I use a 2.1 mm drill for the 2 inner pins and 2.4 mm diameter drill for the 2 outer pins. Next, use a pin punch to knock on the pin. Do not remove the pin entirely but just enough to free the collar. For the mushroom head back spring pin, I use a Proxen angle grinder. You can use a Dremel or hand file. And here comes my big mistake. The mistake is removing the back spring pin before removing all the collars. If you remove the back spring pin before drilling out the collars, there will not be enough tension on the other pins and the pins will rotate when you drill. If the pins rotate while drilling, it may not drill and will spin instead. So do remember to punch out the pins only after all the collars have been removed. Note 2 pins have been removed and 2 collars have yet to be drilled out. Here's my makeshift tape dispenser. And here you can see the problem. Without the back spring pin in place, the drilled pin sometimes spins and will not get drilled. I ended up cutting away the collar. This concludes part 2 of building a custom Victorinox. In the next video, we we will look at the disassembly and cleaning.